generations, women empowerment was just a talk, and now suddenly I have found myself in the midst where people are walking the talk. Yes, you heard me right. I am at the launch of Her Market by VA. This is Savera, your host, and welcome to my Startup TV. VA is an organization that helps women entrepreneurs market, finance their produce. And the most interesting part about this organization is that it is to the women, by the women, and for the women. And these women have got some interesting and exuberant stories to share. Come, let's join us in their journey. Good morning. We have Fanishri Kante ma'am joining us. She is the founder of Jeevashri and she is also one of the directors of VA. Let us know about Jeevashri in her own words. Can you please tell us?
Yeah, sure. So I was into HR background with IT firms and I did many roles with respect to HR field. And after that, when I realized when I was just, I have seen my near and dears succumbing to the side effects of the allopathy or whatever the treatments they were undergoing. So that's where this Ayurveda thing, which is our very own Indian 5,000 years old tradition, it struck me. Then I did my own research in Ayurveda and I wanted to do something for Ayurveda. So I started Jeevashri in 2016 with a vision of Arogya Bharati, so a healthy nation. So, and today we have 4 branches in the city and we provide only Ayurvedic services for all the ailments and diseases. So we are covering almost 51 diseases and we are giving pure Ayurvedic treatments with our very own in-house materials and oils.
That's wonderful, ma'am. Can you please tell us about your journey as a director of VA?
So, my entrepreneurial journey, what I've observed is the moment it was about setting up my own service center and getting my licenses. It all took me a while to figure out what happens in the business because once you are an entrepreneur, you have to take care of the entire gamut of activities involved in a business. That means it involves production, it involves selling, it involves marketing, it involves procurement of materials, it involves human resources. So the entire gamut of activities that I figured out, I took a lot of time to figure out and do things. That's where I met this VA and Deepthi. Then I found that, this journey which I took for 3 years to figure out, this can be reduced to 6 months. If someone is telling us, that look, you need to take care about your finances also while you are still developing the product. You need to take a patent when you are developing a product. So to figure out things, we are losing our time as an entrepreneur, and then we may lose out our interest, money. There's a lot of loss in the time period. So when Deepthi was doing and when she formed VA, that's where I was interested in journeying with the co-entrepreneurs and building up their entrepreneurial journey in a swift way. Suppose with VA, everyone can set up their entrepreneurial journey in a very, very less span of time. That's where I am contributing my own entrepreneurial journey experiences with other women manufacturers here.
That's wonderful, ma'am. Can you please tell us about the Her Support portal Her Market portal that we have started today?
Yeah. So every woman who is manufacturing, she's manufacturing a product, but she really doesn't know. By the time she manufactures a product, her half of the energy, most of her energy is exhausted for taking the patent, procuring the materials. But finally, she is not able to sell the product. And she is not able to figure out what is the marketing strategy for my product. That's where we came up with this new and innovative Her Market idea, where we want to provide every woman entrepreneur an e-portal where she can market her every product which she has manufactured. So this is the next stage. See, there are 2 things. You have a product, but you want to sell it also, right? See, you should not hold your product. It should reach masses, whether you call it as B2B marketing or B2C. But every channel we are supporting in Her Market.
That's wonderful, ma'am. Thank you for joining us today. It was wonderful interacting with you. Thank you.